Ay, 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 ay.
Good day. On episode 11 of Kyle Learns Microbiology, we are going to do the Ziehl-Neelsen technique of acid-fast staining. To accomplish that, we will need alcohol, carbonfuchsin, methylene, 2 slides with a with Bacillus species of bacteria, and carbonfuchsin. These are half heat stained specimens. You will need a clothespin, but in my case I will be using pin. Without further ado, let's do this. Oh, also you need water. First, you put carbonfuchsin. Let it stay for a minute. Let's add more. And after a minute, heat it by passing it through until it steams. You could use a clothespin for this, and I learned it the hard way. Don't do what I did. Remember to not let the carbonfuchsin dry by adding more. Yeah. Repeat on your other sample. And let it steam for 5 minutes before rinsing. After 5 minutes, we are going to let this cool. And then rinse with water. Sunog. Do make sure to not let your glass slides heat so much, because from our previous video, the first video, the glassware video, we learned that glass slides are made out of soda lime glass that is not that resistant to heat. Next, we are rinsing with acid alcohol until it is decolorized. You don't need to use a pipette. I just want to use a pipette because wala lang. Just want to. And I'm bored. Sorry. Now we will gonna use a counter stain, and for our purposes we are going to use methylene blue according to the Ziehl-Neelsen technique, which by the way, once used, brown. Let it stay for a minute to stain. And rinse with water again after a minute. And we will now observe the samples under oil immersion microscopy. That's it for this episode of Calco Learns Microbiology. I hope you learned something, because I did.